Hello to everyone. Myself, Dr. Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I would like to give lecture on very important topic from our subject, strategic management, that is integration and types of integration. Let's see what is integration. Integration actually means combining activities related to the present activity of a firm. It is the process of acquiring or merging with competitors leading to industry consolidation. Yes, guys. Integration, integrated, joining, combining, which means there are so many methods that an organization can combine only for the development process. If you and your competitor joins together and enter into market with the new name or with the same brand name, definitely the scope in that market will be too high because customers will start loving your product. They believe that the quality of the product will be too much good because the two competitors joins together. Definitely the product will have new ideas, fresh ideas. Product will be extraordinary. That will be the perception of the customer. So guys, integration means combining, joining, merging, acquiring one company to another company. Two companies joins. Even integration, you might have heard in colleges also. Integrated MBA, 5 years course, which means what? 3 years BBA, 2 years MBA, 5 years integrated MBA course, which is available in so many universities, so many colleges. So please understand in simple way that integration refers to one company joins with another company to rule in the market only for growth purpose, only to boom in the share market, and so on. Next, what are the types of integration? There are two types of integration, horizontal integration, vertical integration. Let's see what is horizontal integration. Horizontal integration is a process that takes place when an organization takes up the same type of product at the same level of production or marketing processes. Horizontal integration is a strategy where a company acquires, merges, or takes over another company in the same industry value chain. Yes, guys, horizontal integration means horizontal, same level, vertical, different level, or another level, we can say. I would like to give one example. What are the differences between horizontal and vertical? Horizontal means BBA, BCom, BCA, BSc Computer Science, BSc Physics, BSc Chemistry. So whatever the same type, same level of courses is called as horizontal courses. Vertical means advanced, BBA, MBA, BCom, MCom, BSc, MSc. So higher level will be termed as vertical, same level is termed as horizontal. So integration, when a company joins with another company with the same kind of product they produce, with the same level of development, with the same kinds of products they deal with, then it is called as horizontal integration. Company acquires or merges only for the development purpose. Please keep this thing in your mind. Development is always appears. Why company always focus on higher profitability? Only for growth purpose, development purpose. So next point number 2 is vertical integration. Vertical integration is the combination of technically distinct production, distribution, and other economic processes within the confines of single organization. Yes, guys. Vertical integration means company joins with another company which is different from product dealing, brand value, and every purpose. They are different, but even though the company would like to join with that company, the company would like to merge, the company would like to buy that company because there will be higher profit. For example, shoe company joins with medical company, shoe company joins with cool drinks company. Why they joins? That is different sector, this is different sector. Even though they joins, because to gain more profit, to rule in the market. That will be the main objective.